Hello guys, welcome again to my channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about an introduction to Adobe Premiere Pro 2019. This video is applicable to Adobe Premiere Pro previous versions. Okay, so to start Adobe Premiere Pro, you simply go to your desktop and double click on it, or you simply right click and also click on open. Now once you open it, it will show up this page. You can choose for it to load here, and you start and add your name, the name of the project, or you can simply go to your file and click on new. So once you click on new, you click on project. So once you click on project, this dialog box displays saying new project. Now you add a name to your project. Let's say the name you're adding is new lesson. Okay, so you have the name. Here we also have location. The location, you can choose a location where you want your outputted or saved work to be displayed. Or we have location here where you save your work determines. So currently it's saved at Adobe Premiere Pro 13. So once you go into my folder, documents, Adobe Premiere Pro 13, you will get any file I have saved onto the Adobe Premiere Pro. So you can choose to change the file location where you want to save yours to by clicking the browse, and it will display other features. So you can choose from here where you want to save your documents to or your projects. I'm going to close this by hitting the cancel or close here. We also have other options. Under the video, you have display format. Under the display format, once you click on it, these options open up. So currently it's set to time code. You can choose to set it to feet plus frames 16 minutes, feet plus frame 35 minutes, and also frames. But I choose to leave it here. You can also choose to leave yours here. Let's move on. We have under the audio, we have display format, we have audio samples. We also have milliseconds. So but I'm leaving my own at the default choice, which is the audio samples. We have another option here, the capture. Under the capture, we have the capture format. When you click on this option button, we have the DV and the HDV. So you can choose any one you want. I'm going to leave mine as DV. Okay, so once you're okay with what you have, you just click on your OK and your window will be displayed. So let's wait for it. It's coming up. It's not going too fast. Okay, it has displayed. Now this is our Adobe Premiere Pro environment. We have the titles, which is the menu bars. We have different menus, of which we'll talk about them in a later video. So this is your display. So depending on your version of Adobe, it displays in various formats. The interface displays on various formats. So depending on the version you're using and your computer or laptop size, so it can display in various forms. Let me talk about how the interface works. So we have 5 types of interface from my own here. We have this is the first interface, this is the second interface, this is the third interface, fourth and last interface. Let me take a little time and digress into each of the interface. Here is the first interface, which displays your videos that you have imported to Adobe Premiere Pro for editing. While here is your edited work. These are where they all show. Not to worry, in our later video, we'll be talking about how you will see how they work and how they are being displayed. Just know how each one works and how they are being used. Here displays your media library. So if you import any video that you want to work on, they all show here. Then from here, you can now move it to the timeline. Speaking about the timeline, this is the timeline. The timeline shows how you displays your videos for editing. So this is where all the work is being done. any editing that you have done, you can choose to play it here and it will show here. Over here are some of the tools that we'll be using to work. We have the selection tool. We also have the track selection forward tool. We also have the ripple edit tool. We have the razor tool and so much more. Okay, we will be going through each of these tools as we go along. So, but this is generally the introduction to Adobe interface. In our later videos, we'll be digressing in each of them, how to work with them and how to deal with them. I hope you learned something on this video. If you find this video helpful, please, I would like you to subscribe and also hit the like button and also turn on the notification bell so that on the next video that I will publish on Adobe Premiere Pro, you will be the first to receive it and have the knowledge. For now, I will see you on the next video.